President Biden toured the damage caused by Hurricane Helene in North Carolina, assessing the impact on homes, infrastructure, and communities. Vice President Harris visited survivors in Georgia and Florida, listening to their stories and speaking with state and local officials to understand their needs. They both expressed deep gratitude to the first responders working tirelessly on the ground and reaffirmed the administration's commitment to ensuring all necessary resources are provided. From emergency shelter and food supplies to rebuilding roads and restoring power, the administration will work closely with state and local authorities to address both the immediate and long-term needs of the communities affected. Federal agencies are being mobilized to support disaster relief, and funding is being directed to help with housing, infrastructure repairs, and business recovery. President Biden and Vice President Harris emphasized that their focus is on helping families and businesses recover quickly, ensuring they are not left behind in the rebuilding process. If you or someone you know needs assistance, visit disasterassistance.gov to request support from FEMA. Together, we will persevere, recover, and rebuild.